Hello everyone, welcome back to the Go High Level Mastery course. In this lesson, we are going to clear one of the most common confusions inside Go High Level, the difference between custom fields and custom values. Once you understand this properly, you will get to know how the data is being structured inside Go High Level. Custom fields and custom values may sound similar, but they serve two very different purposes. One stores contact specific data and the other stores account wide, or you can say business wide data. First of all, let's explain why custom fields were needed at first place. As we all know that Go High Level is a raw software. It's not a niche specific software. And the default fields were not enough. They cannot be for every business in the world. Every business collect different data, different information. For example, a doctor needs your medical history, a real estate agent needs your financial information, and a loan officer needs to know who and how many are your dependents. So they all have different information to collect. So to solve this problem, GHL allows us to create as much as we want custom fields to store our customized data that is linked to each contact differently. Let me show you. If we go to contacts, any of the contact, all the custom fields will be shown on his contact page. We will explain the whole page afterwards, but let me show you that these are all the custom fields. This is kind of questions we can create depending upon our business nature. So these are all available over here related to this client. As this client hasn't answered any of these questions, that's why they are blank. This is how custom fields are being displayed, stored, and structured inside Go High Level. You can create a new field from here and you can create a new folder as well. So once you click on this add field, so these are the options you have. These options pretty much cover all the use cases that you can have working in any kind of business in the world. You can select text inputs, values, phone number, monetary value, choosing options, a single drop down or a multiple select drop down as well, radio select, checkboxes, date picker, file upload. If you go to file upload, you can select which type of file types you want to allow or not. And one more thing that I want to mention over here, that when you select a custom field, then you will have to select the object it is linked to. Right now it is linked to a contact. A custom field can be linked to an opportunity as well. So this is how custom fields are being generated and stored inside Go High Level. And I have shown you where you can see them. So now we have a clear idea of what custom fields are. So you know that custom field is linked to each and every contact separately and it can store unlimited values. But when it comes for custom value, it cannot store more than one value. For custom fields, it's one to many relationship, but for custom values, it's one to one, no other relationship. For example, as I created a custom value called attachment link, so there's only one value that I can store over here. And I can use both of these values, custom fields and custom values, inside my SMS, email, Instagram DM, Facebook DM, and my automations as well. For example, let's click on this client's profile. And when I'm sending him a message, I can go and select any of the custom values. These are the custom fields. And if we want to select any of custom values, you can go and select the custom values. So from here, you can access them and you can use them in any of your reply, message, Instagram DM. So I think for now, it's enough to understand that you have an opportunity, you have a facility inside Go High Level to store customized data related to each and every contact separately. And you have another facility that you can store data that is linked to your sub account in some kind of values, and you can use them dynamically wherever you want to use them.